Well, hello, Disney Connections and fellow Disney freaks. Today we've got another mystery Bibbidi Bobbidi box. Well, it's a mystery because it's been a while since we've gotten these, and we're not quite sure if this is the fantasy or the magic or the
wishes, dreams, or fantasy.
Oh yeah,
it's
wishes.
One of those.
It's one of the wishes, dreams, or fantasy. So I guess we should just open it up.
Yeah,
and
let's find
get
out.
right into it. And it is still a mystery because we're gonna have to look at the spoiler alert.
This is the Duffy Bear card that we've gotten before.
Aww.
And our box was curated by Amanda. And this card says, I think our wishes will come true. And that made Duffy and his friends very happy.
I think our wishes will come true.
Yeah.
Pretty
Amanda
exciting.
usually does our box.
Yeah, Amanda does a really good job. We're pretty... there's our spoiler alert. We'll find out what
Actually,
box
I can
this
just
is.
look real quick.
Okay, don't
This
spoil.
is Dreams.
Okay, we've got the Bibbidi Bobbidi Dreams.
Dreams box.
Right.
We've got little
stars.
Yeah, confetti.
I like
You know what I like?
I got
is
oh, go
that
ahead.
They don't over confederize. Is that a word? Our boxes. Like
Confederize.
they give you just enough confetti to make it festive, but not where you're picking up confetti for hours.
Although I still have confetti all over my desk.
Well, that's your fault.
Yeah.
All right.
I find it all the time.
There's still a lot of foozles in there.
Yeah, foozles. Just ginger. All right, purple paper. All right, let's see. Now, on our settings, I believe that we have quality over quantity on all of our settings.
Yeah.
And so, we like to have some nice stuff. Here you go. Open that up.
Is this this is July? That's interesting. Because they sent me my birthstone here.
Oh.
In a necklace.
Happy birthday, August.
Yeah, I
Right.
really like that. It's pretty. This is Swarovski crystal. Yeah, from the parks. I like that.
That's pretty
I'm
cool.
surprised it's in the July box.
Well, maybe because they know you're going to open it in August.
Oh, maybe.
Because if they send it in the August box, you're not going to open it until September.
True. Okay, very nice.
Good job.
I love that, Amanda. Thank you.
Right? Oh, this is something I think I'm going to like.
Yep. Wow, that's large.
Large water bottle.
It's Star Wars.
It is Star Wars. Original Star Wars.
Yep.
With Leia, Chewie, Vader, Obi-Wan,
Yep.
C-3PO, Luke in an X-Wing. Well, I mean, we don't get to see the X-Wing, but I know he's in the X-Wing.
I like that. That's very nice. You can have that.
Okay, this is mine?
Yeah, I'll let you have that.
I like it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Very cool.
All right.
I did put on my preferences that I wouldn't mind having Star Wars items in our box every now and then. So.
Ooh. Add to the pin board.
Oh, I'm excited about that one.
Who is that?
That looks like Alice.
Does look like Alice.
I don't think we have that one.
No.
No. Oh, very cool.
Good job, Amanda. Looking at the preferences.
Nice.
All right, let's see.
Awesome. Is that
Now
it?
these quality boxes seem to typically have about 3 items in them.
Yeah. Well,
So-
that's a lot of
There's a lot of foozles.
packing in there. But okay.
All
So
right.
we
Well-
got a Star Wars water bottle, a large one.
Star Wars bottle. Yeah.
Alice in Wonderland pin, and my birthstone, my August Mickey necklace.
I'm really excited about that.
Me
Happy
too.
birthday.
Thank you.
I got that for her birthday, so I don't have to get anything on her birthday. Not gonna happen.
Okay.
I'll still have to get her something, or I'll hear about it for the next
Here's our
365
packing
days.
slip. Disney Parks exclusive trading pin, Alice in Wonderland, Alice in Flowers, $9.99.
$9.99. So if you have seen the live video where I said, you know, we're gonna maybe possibly do a giveaway every Saturday, yeah, $5 wasn't gonna cut it.
No, because pins are more than $5. And then Disney Parks Collection Minnie Mouse Birthstone August, $19.99.
That's cool.
That surprised me. I thought that would be more, especially
Yeah, I did too, because
the
it was
Swarovski crystal.
well, and it's Disney Parks too. So
Yeah, that's a good price point for that. Star Wars character grid, 18-ounce double-walled Triton water bottle, $18.99. So that's a $48.97 value. And
yeah, $39 box.
Yeah,
I think.
a $39
yeah.
box.
So yeah, we get $9.
Happy with that.
Yeah, that's a good deal.
That's a great box, Amanda.
Good job, Amanda. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for curating our box and doing another great job.
Love it. I'm going to wear my necklace today, I think.
Hey, just so you know, we are probably going to start paring down the boxes a little bit. Life is getting pretty crazy around here, doing all this, you know, distance learning and teaching and
spring break's over.
Yeah. Our extended 6-month spring break. Yeah. So yeah, we're back at school, rocking and rolling. You know, getting these kids learned up. You know, comment below how distance learning is going for you, and you know, maybe you're back at school, and you know, what's life like right now? And
yeah.
So thank you for being here on Disney Connections. Make sure you're liking and subscribing, supporting the channel. All right, thank you so much for being here. Make sure you're sharing this with your friends, like and subscribe. We appreciate you, all your support for Disney Connections, where we're going to talk about all things Disney.
Bye.